Many people store batteries in their home without realizing that batteries can become dangerous over time. Small household batteries, power tool batteries, solar batteries, and backup battery systems all have different safety risks. Improper storage, heat, damage, or age can cause leaks, fires, or even explosions in some situations. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today we are going to look at battery storage safety, how long batteries really last, and what every homeowner should know to avoid problems. Most batteries today are either alkaline, lithium, lead acid, or rechargeable lithium-ion. Each type behaves differently as it ages, and each type must be stored properly to remain safe. Many people assume that batteries are harmless until they are used, but this is not always true. Heat is one of the biggest problems for battery storage. Batteries stored in garages, sheds, attics, or vehicles are often exposed to high temperatures. Heat speeds up chemical reactions inside the battery and can cause swelling, leaking, or internal damage. Lithium batteries are especially sensitive to heat and can become unstable if stored in hot conditions for long periods. Cold temperatures can also damage batteries. Freezing conditions can reduce battery life and may cause cracking or leakage in some types. This is why batteries should always be stored in a dry location with moderate temperature. A closet inside the home is usually safer than a garage or outdoor storage area. Another common problem is storing batteries loose in drawers or containers. When batteries touch each other, the terminals can make contact and create a short circuit. This can cause overheating and in some cases can start a fire. Loose batteries should be kept in their original packaging or in a container where the terminals are covered. Rechargeable batteries require even more care. Lithium-ion batteries used in tools, laptops, and backup power systems can become dangerous if they are damaged or overcharged. If a battery becomes swollen, cracked, or unusually hot, it should not be used. Damaged lithium batteries can catch fire without warning. Many homeowners now use battery backup systems for solar panels or emergency power. These systems store large amounts of energy and must be installed and maintained correctly. Poor ventilation, improper wiring, or storing batteries near flammable materials can create serious hazards. Large battery systems should always follow manufacturer safety guidelines. Another safety issue is keeping old batteries too long. All batteries have a limited life. Over time, the chemicals inside break down and the risk of leaking increases. Old batteries stored for years in drawers, toolboxes, or storage bins often begin to corrode. Leaking batteries can damage surfaces and can also release harmful chemicals. Disposal is another area where many people make mistakes. Batteries should not always be thrown in the regular trash. Lithium batteries, rechargeable batteries, and lead-acid batteries often need special disposal. Many communities have recycling centers or collection programs for household batteries. Proper disposal reduces fire risk and protects the environment. It is also important to keep batteries away from children and pets. Small button batteries are especially dangerous if swallowed. These batteries can cause serious internal injury in a very short time. They should always be stored in secure containers. Good battery safety is simple, but often ignored. Store batteries in a cool, dry place. Do not keep damaged batteries. Do not mix old and new batteries. Dispose of batteries properly. And always follow the instructions for larger battery systems. Understanding these basic safety rules can prevent fires, injuries, and expensive damage in the home. Small things stored carelessly can become big problems later. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we will look at another safety topic every homeowner should understand.